Hello guys, today I want to do a little demonstration that will hopefully remind you to have faith in our faithful God, even in the tough situations, and I'm sure you've had a few in your life. Imagine this flame is a tough situation. So if we look at Gideon's story, Gideon was told to lead an army, and he had 32,000 men in his army. But imagine he did this without God's strength. That would have happened. So imagine now God told him, okay, and he made his army smaller. He told all the men who were afraid to go home. And then Gideon was left with 10,000 men. But if he still didn't have God's strength and God's power, this would have happened again. But now he was left with 300 men. And they had all the tools, not the tools that you would expect, but they had God's strength and they had God's presence and they were filled with his power. So imagine now, they can do anything because they have victory in Jesus, because they're filled with God. No matter what situation we're facing, no matter how tough it is, see the balloons not popping? When we're filled with God's Spirit and filled with God's power, we won't pop in the tough situations. So the next time you see a balloon, I want you to remember to have faith in our faithful God.